Okay, so just to show you that some of my clients will have a corresponding grid at their premise. So what we do here is they also get the grid and they get their own sets of stones. They'll have an Orgonite in the center. They'll have a glass jar like this. If they can't find one, I can normally ship one to them. And the wonderful thing about that is that we can put any product we like. So if you've got a formulation or a product that is liquid, or even if it is stones, anything like that, you can put into the base here. You can even put people's names. You can put companies. If you've got contracts that you have signed, legal binding contracts, and there may be a discrepancy and issues around it, we can also place the contracts underneath this grid in order to honor the contract or to bring some form of resolve of the contract, that both parties are witnessed and heard and can bring about right action. So that's what else we can do. So you will have a similar grid looking like this. It doesn't have to be identical to this, but my clients like to have something like that. And so I will, depending on whether I'm doing it weekly or bi-monthly, I will charge the, I'll actually, initiate it every week or every second week, and they themselves charge it every day. So I do the activation and they will do the charging. And how they charge it is they normally have one identifiable stone. Other stones are double pointed quartz and some are single pointed quartz, and I explain how to use them. And they will have one that is slightly different, which they will use to move every single day around the 13 keys. When they position it, let's say to this particular day, it is the law of vibration and it is through the throat chakra. And what we do is they actively will call upon that statement and reinstate the truth of that statement. So they will clear the dissonance of that statement out of the issue that they're working on, and then they will reinstate resonance of that statement of the law of vibration and being able to speak through the throat chakra. So some people will use smudging sticks. They might play a certain type of music, a certain hertz. They could probably have a tuning fork that they could use to clear and activate the area. They might want to say a particular prayer. It might be an Aramaic or Hebrew, or any form of commandment, something that is obviously of spiritual meaning to them, and that's for the highest God of everything involved here. So that is, we can also light candles. I do ask them to light a little tea light and station it. Sometimes they station it in the top here. Other times they put it to the side, wherever it's your station, and you manage it and work through it. And it also helps to create this intuitive side to people. They may get messages, they may get answers, they may get a correct way of proceeding with that issue for the day. So it's a beautiful little technique. I've got a few clients who've got them and they absolutely love this practice. So that's what a grid at the client station or premise looks like. So thank you so much for being here. I so appreciate every one of you, and have a wonderful day.